Yo, I just realized my dad forgot to renew the tag since 2016.
We put a Viper swap in this show. It's got a 5.0 Mustang 302 in it. That's turbocharged.
Performance TV.
Follow all of us.
Alright, well, we're back at Cutaway Creations. Everything's closed, but we're here to pick up the motor for the C7. Meanwhile, Detailed Hands here.
Wherever you need me at, that's where I'm at.
Yeah, because I did it in the vet. My vet, we went up, we didn't go right. I put a Gen 4 motor in the splitting anyways. Because remember when we did the vet and it wouldn't start at first and this guy had to come sync everything? But luckily Terminator X, you can pick what you have
You just gotta
make it all
swap the
sync and work.
little
So I hit Sky, I'm like, Sky, if I put a Terminator X in this G8, I know it's an automatic, I know it's not let's say, but will you tune it? He goes, what transmission? I said, stop. He goes, you can't make the stock trans work on the Terminator X. Yeah. I was like, damn.
So you're like, buying a trans?
He's like, just drop some balls and put a turbo 400 in it, and I'll really tune it. I was like, Scott, looking for a street car, drag car. It's a G8. We're gonna do all that. Why'd you get rid of yours? You did all that work.
And it was still a G8.
It was still a G8.
You can cut as much as you want, but it's still gonna be a G8.
It's okay, John. I want to be one.
Nah, but I mean,
I just don't want to take the motor's been out like 4 times already.
Welcome to owning a G8.
you bought a Pontiac. So.
Yeah.
And while he's dealing with that, we have one of my mechanics, his GTO. We put his cam job and just cammed it all up and the car was running great. Yesterday he takes it outside, has a check engine light, so he just hooks the scanner up like, oh, what's the check engine light for? And it says like mass airflow and something with the security system. So he clears the code and now the car won't start. Sick. Oh, you got something even better. I'll take this back. Brandon doesn't even tell us when he's coming to see John anymore, so we don't give him a order. I didn't even know he was down here. He's like, yo, you going to John's? I was like, yeah, what's that got to do with you? He's like, I'm down here. Could you bring me?
Like how you know we coming, but we ain't know you was going.
You just see it on Instagram.
Like, damn, you went to John on Wednesday?
Oh yeah, bro. You know I had the
Freddy's.
I went to.
What you eat for lunch that day, Freddy?
Freddy's. You did have Freddy's last week.
I did. I saw
You
the
did.
picture. It was 9:30. The shop was closed. So, who could I have dropped it off to?
I brought it to my house. I did it
You
for
hear that awful amount of silence?
No.
That's how you know I'm right. John, no.
Brandon, I would have brought Freddy's to your house. I'd have
That sounds like the inconsiderate Brandon.
You coming to Fort Washington, Wally?
Yeah. For you, I would come to Alaska.
Burn up. Zoom it up.
Yep.
Turn it off.
Yeah, I know. I was like, that's a good pallet.
Oh, that's the one you stole from my
Yeah, I was like, don't burn that. That's like a LS2 pallet right there.
That's a perfect motor pallet. You heard a G8 run now?
What?
You there? I'm ready to leave. We're waiting on you. My man was almost at the truck. You heard the G8 fire. But his fired up in one hit. Yours takes about an hour, but then it runs.
It had that elusive tuner named Sky Toucher.
When it runs, it runs. I will say that. You know, you just got to get it to run.
Yeah. Hey, y'all be safe.
All right, dude. It's over here. It's all wrapped up and stuff. I'm not gonna pull it apart, but we picked it up Friday from a good friend of ours, John, over at Cutaway Creations. So we'll be throwing that in pretty soon. Yeah, it's just dusty and stuff. We haven't touched it at all. But yeah, we made a whole video on this, so if you haven't seen that, link is gonna be in the description.
Got a garage kept beauty here. Just need to do a little TLC and give it a tune-up. Should run perfect after that.
Oh, yeah.
It's got some bad plugs and definitely needs an oil change, I could say that. Misfires like a
Oh man. Alright.
Honestly, we could try starting it. You hear the sound, you're gonna want to cut it off. Yo, I just realized my dad forgot to renew the tag since 2016. I called him on the way here. I was like, yo, did you know that the sticker says 2016 on it? He's like, huh? So there's gotta be a mistake. There's no mistake. You just said your registration on it.
That's how long it's been sitting.
No, I mean, I drove it last year.
And you didn't realize the tags had been a year off?
I looked at it.
No, like 2 years off?
No.
He is pretty good about stuff like that normally.
The key's inside, right?
Yes, sir. Lock them in there.
All right, thank you very much.
Yeah, man.
Probably the cleanest one you've ever towed that doesn't run. This is the only one he had to pick up in the garage.
Look, I had all that sitting in the garage waiting to do it. It's never been done. It has plugs, oil. It's got Lucas in there too.
Oh, it does.
It's got glue for the Joe. It needs new window regulators, new weather strips.
It leaks water?
It leaks water when you go through car wash.
Hey, I have that problem too.
The fog light on that side is cracked.
That's on.
And then it needs new brakes,
Oh yeah, it is. Right there.
It ain't passed inspection, but that was like, we'll put it in the storage box. When we first got the car, because I take it for inspection, we're gonna go register it. I was like, you gonna pass for
TPI.
close it. We just gotta look it up.
You about to get a cannonball run?
What's wrong with it? This is a Shisha's car.
I ain't driving though.
She's had this in the garage for like
6 years.
6 years.
That's the year we got it.
The tags died in 2016. You just realized it today. Years later.
I'm gonna put a turbo 5.3 in this.
It's got all the space.
And the wheel wells can take 15-inch conversion. Like it can take 15s in the back. That's how big it is.
Can't leave nothing alone.
Hell no, I can't.
They do got all the space for a 5.3 with a turbo.
You put a V10 in
There's endless space.
We put a Viper swap in this shit. What is this? It's not an airbag?
These don't have airbags? Or do they?
Like a bump stop.
Boy.
Hey thug, I ain't got no power.
That's one of them jumps from the bumper cars right there. You know, on the bumper cars, you got the little thing in front of you.
Yeah, thug, I got power.
Little cushion.
Alright, you just got a big ass cow hood.
So we're gonna take a shortcut.
Hey! Yeah. Look to the right a little bit. Yeah.
That's why it smells like oil.
everywhere. I just want to get out in the middle of the street. We can put it back outside and run. Yeah, I mean, we can put it back outside.
Trying to look like glass. I think it's been like 3 weeks? Maybe 4. But yeah, I think our second video or third video was on this car. So we actually do want to LS swap it, but we have so many things to do right now, it probably won't be anytime soon. So we just had Ashish's uncle do a little quick paint job on it. So yeah, looks pretty nice. Yeah, it does look nice, I'm sorry. There we go. Yeah. Look at that. Reflection, reflection. Yeah. It's not, inside's not too bad. The shifter does, it literally pops out. Like, look at this. That's, yeah, this is horrible. But it's not a bad car. Alright, so this is...
It's been sitting here so long that the car cover's coming apart.
Oh Lord. Sure, the BMW.
She let's rescue this. She just left it here, sitting outside his house. So
Dirty as hell.
we need to put old girl back on the map.
For sure.
Look, it's got like stink bugs coming out the car cover.
No way.
Look, it's just right there.
Oh yeah. Does this tag say don't rain?
Yeah, his tag say don't rain. Look at the wheels. Look how dirty it is. It's got spider webs on it. But this thing's pretty badass. This thing's got a, Chi built this whole car from the ground up himself. It's got a 5.0 Mustang 302 in it that's turbocharged. It actually has a half hood that he puts on it, and it's got hood exit too. Yeah, and it's got like the full hydraulic. You can see in the back it has like 2 calipers.
Oh yeah.
So he's got the full, it has a full Porsche conversion brake system, and it's got like the hydraulic handbrake and stuff to drift it.
Damn, it's lit.
Yeah, it's pretty lit. Inside's fully caged. It's all wheeled, seated up and stuff.
Yeah, I'm gonna go for a ride, so.
Yeah. I mean, you're riding back with them, right?
Yeah. See
He's
how
been
that,
sitting out here so long, he has the battery in the house on a trickle charger.
hey, we'll see how this thing rides.
Yeah, no, it's pretty badass. I remember we've ridden around in it a lot of those. Even here when he first finished it, it's pretty sweet. I love this car. That's how I'm always on. I'm like, yo, go get the Beamer, bring it to the shop. And he's just like, we'll bring it down one day. Today's the day.
Oh yeah.
He says if it's at the shop, it throws him off because he wants to do work on it, and he would just want to focus on it. Look at all the grass in this wheel.
Oh dang. Yeah.
All the dirt down there. And them just cutting the grass right here.
Yeah. Sheesh.
But yeah, another shop car. We're about to bring it back to life. Look
One
at she
more.
coming with this whole bag of stuff. She got like a whole suitcase for it. Yo, there's grass and like stink bugs and like mold just growing on the side skirt. Like this stuff just been sitting here. I feel bad for it.
So weird to know that you're in a BMW, but it's like a Ford, right? key
at all
for
these.
this
If I
thing?
get pulled over, no, the key's here. But it just runs off switches.
Ah, sweet.
You just don't need the key. It's weird, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes we forget my key in like random places.
You're like, oh, it's not needed, it's alright.
Yeah, I know.